So today is my sister Sam's birthday.
That's right.
Samantha, Sam short for Samantha. Yes. And those of you who don't know, this birthday is very significant. 35 years old. She was supposed to die at 19 years old. She has lupus, teamed with a whole bunch of other things she's gone through. Kidney dialysis, gout, eczema, paralysis. I mean, I could go on the list.
10,000 surgeries.
Surgeries upon surgeries upon surgeries. Any sickness you can think of, my sister has dealt with it. So when we say she's one of the strongest people we know, she is the strongest person we know.
That's right. And really celebrating her kidney transplant. Yes.
So today we celebrate her. We celebrate all of you who, whether you're dealing with sickness or anything in your life that holds you back, this is to celebrate you to know that you can still make it through and still push forward.
Yes. Right.
So it's happy birthday, Sam.
Yay! Happy birthday, baby girl. Happy birthday.
It's her 35th birthday.
No matter how old you are, you're still my baby girl.
She's not with us today, but she's with us in spirit, and we're dancing for her.
She's celebrating it.
Yes. When I say not with us, I just mean here physically.
Right.
She is alive.
Yeah. She's alive. She's just somewhere celebrating. Right. Somewhere really celebrating. Okay.
But we see you from all over. Thank you for joining in. So we're gonna jam. Let's do it. Let's start with one of her favorite songs.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Slim daddy say I said my baby they give me number one for the month.
Bring it down and up.
She's my only love.
That's Samantha. Side to side. Samantha. That's right, Samantha. Right over your head. That's her. Now take it side to side. Move your boomsey. Hey. That's right. Warm it up. Oh, pull it in. Oh, that's right. Hey. Nobody knows your story. That's right. Come on, know your story. Now they do. Now they do. Happy birthday, Sam. Happy birthday. Hey. Let's go. Ooh, lift it up. Samantha, pull it in. Samantha. Come on. Hey, Nanda. Open. Bring it down. And go. Hey. Take it one back. Swing it. And 3, and 2, and 1. Come on now. Hey. Papa. All right, we're taking it out. Sam loves to take it out. Take it out. Let's go together. Hey. That's right, son. We got you now. Come on. Hey. Open.
You break my cassava. Cassava.
You break my cassava.
Stay here. And down and
You break my cassava. Cassava. You break my cassava. Cassava.
Single double.
Olha que eu fui nos comidas.
Pull it back. Single. Pull it.
You break my cassava.
Tempo, go. Hey.
Cassava.
Hey.
Hey. Cassava.
Hey. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Bring it in. Right now. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Other side. Let's go.
You break my cassava.
Single, up.
Cassava.
Hey.
Yabi a power.
Single now, bring it up. Bring it back. Reach. Go down. Let's go.
See, you break my cassava.
Rock it.
My precious cassava. You break my cassava.
My precious cassava. Pull it. Let's go. Hey, alright, time to take it up. Hey, let's go to South Africa.
Alright.
Sam loves to take it up.
Sam loves to take it up with her mom. Come on now.
Alright, double tap and lift. Double tap and lift. Alright, now what? Gonna throw it up in the air. Now last time, we're gonna add your Boombsey. Grab it right here. Bend and move it. You gotta move it. That's right. And 4, 3, 2, put it together. Hey, Sam's favorite move right here. Come on, Sam. Hey. Now show it out. Yeah, take it around now, lady. Come on now, gentlemen. I can't forget you. One more time. Right here. Bring your hand together. Put your hand together. And lift side. Let's go. And 4, 3, 2, this is for you, Sam. Shake it. Let's get that Boombsey. Go. Shake it. Last time. Shake it. Hey. We're moving on. Let's go back to Ghana briefly. Hey. Double.
take it up. Let's take it up. Let's take it up. Woo!
Let's go to convert. Yes. All right. Now, it's up, down. Other side. Up, down. Hey, up, down. Now, comfortably put your hand behind you and use the other arm to roll it back and up. Like that. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Last two. Come on. Hey. Last one. Hey. Right, cross your legs behind you and open out wide. That's right. You got it. Now what? Hey. That's what you sound. Hey. You know it. We got it. Hey. Hey, come on, Sam. Hey, let's go. Oh, switch it. That's one. Play. Twist it. Happy birthday, Sam. Happy birthday, Sam. Hey. Sam, you're a queen to us and to everybody that meets you. Princess. Hey. Princess into a queen. Lady Princess. Hey.
Just like the sun, lights up the air, it lights up my head.
Bring it in.
The only one I ever see with a smile so
Hey,
bright.
on your knees, bring it down.
Just yesterday, you came around my way, changed my whole away. You astonishing, crazy. Oh, you couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural thing. And you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African queen.
Oh, yes, you are. You are the African queen, Samantha. Hey. Take it out, yeah. Make my heart go ting-a-ling. Yeah.
You are my African queen.
Hey.
The girl of my dreams.
Yes.
You remind me of a thing.
Hey.
And that is the African beauty.
Bring it in. Hey, come on. Hey, come on.
You're my African
There you are.
queen.
3. Yeah. We love you, Sam. Happy birthday, baby girl. We love you, Sam. Happy birthday, baby girl. God bless you. God continue to bless you. We love you. Your family loves you. All your extended family loves you. You are so special. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Sam.
Happy birthday,
Sam. We celebrate you, and to all those out there struggling, whether it's lupus or any other autoimmune disease, keep pushing through.
Yes, because you can do it.
She is such an example of that.
Yes, and don't forget
Limitless with Lupus is her
story.
YouTube channel.
a YouTube channel where you can follow her story, where she encourages you so that you can also do it. Yes.
Yes. So keep moving that.
Boomsey!
Happy birthday, Sam!
Happy birthday, Nanesi.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Sam.
See you guys all soon. Thank you guys for joining us. Woo!